Hey, it's Doug. Have you ever had a contractor come out, spend time with you, answer all of your questions, and then send you a quote? And then things went quiet. You weren't quite sure what to do next. Well, this video is for you. Let's slow it down and look at what good follow-up should actually feel like from your point of view. Let's watch.
When a homeowner schedules an appointment, things usually feel clear. There is a concern that needs attention, questions that need answers, and eventually, a request for a written estimate. The visit itself often goes well, time is spent, conversations are thoughtful, options are explained. But once the estimate arrives, many homeowners find themselves in a different place. Not rushed, not upset, just unsure of what comes next. That moment of uncertainty is more common than most people realize, and it is completely normal. Silence after receiving a quote is rarely about dissatisfaction. More often it is about processing. Homeowners may be comparing options, talking things over with a spouse or family member, reviewing finances, or simply taking time to think. Many people hesitate because they do not want to seem impolite, they do not want to rush a decision, and they are not always sure how to respond if they are not ready yet. In most cases, silence is not avoidance, it is reflection. From a homeowner's perspective, good follow-up should feel helpful, not intrusive. It should be brief, respectful, and open-ended. A simple check-in is often enough, not to push a decision, but to offer clarity. Good professionals understand that important home decisions take time. They leave space for questions, they welcome honest feedback, and they make it clear that it is acceptable to say, "We are still thinking about it," or "We have decided to go another direction." Clear communication benefits everyone. It removes guesswork, and it keeps the process respectful on both sides. Sometimes follow-up comes in a more personal form, such as a short message or brief video. When done properly, this is not about pressure, it is about transparency. Seeing who is reaching out can remove uncertainty. Hearing a calm, familiar voice can make communication feel easier. At the same time, homeowners should never feel obligated to respond immediately, or at all, if they are not ready. The goal of follow-up should always be clarity, not urgency. Ultimately, homeowners remain in control of the process. Taking time is reasonable, asking questions is encouraged, and honest communication leads to better decisions. Whether the next step comes quickly or takes time, clarity is always better than silence. And when the process feels calm, respectful, and professional, everyone is better served.
Before you go, here's the main thing to remember. Clarity matters more than speed. Taking your time is reasonable. Asking questions is encouraged. A good follow-up should feel calm, respectful, and professional. If this is the kind of explanation that helps you feel more confident as a homeowner, then you're in the right place here. Stay comfortable and stay tuned.